Guys, today we are going to do a pull rope in an fs94r. It's a weed eater. Any of the parts that I use I'll put in the description below. Just click on the link. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is pull off these three torque 27s. I use a stihl tool. I'll put that in the description below as well. It's got your torque and a spark plug socket and another type of spark plug socket for other stihls. Just going to go ahead and remove these three. Third one. This should pull right off. Oh, drop the bolt. So now I'm going to take the rope and cut it so we can release the tension on the spring. There, all tension on the spring is gone. There's snap ring pliers needed for this. It's got a little snap ring inside. Alright, so it's, oh, look at that, it just fell right off, didn't it? Alright, so just reaching, oh, I got this backwards now, Jesus. Alright, so snap ring pliers in there, squeeze it out, pull the snap ring out. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but once you get them in there, it comes out easy. Just got to get them in there. I'm going to leave them in there so it's easier to put in. Alright, and then there's a little washer in there. Make sure you get that out. And then we want to turn it clockwise so it kind of disconnects the spring from this. You don't want the spring to pop out. If the spring pops out, it's a mess. Just a super mess. And then you'll see that this piece right here, the little loop on that spring, I don't know if you can see it, but that needs to be up against this shaft when you do put it back together. So you may have to give it a little bend. And then it sets right up against it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's hard to look in this thing and do this at the same time. There, that little piece right there, you just want it up against the shaft. Alright. Alright, then we're going to take all the rope out of this. Just unwrap it. Then new rope. I'll put this in the description below. Just light the end of it, get it melty, and then pull it to a point. This keeps it from fraying up. We're going to stick it through the recoil. Then we're going to take it and stick it through the pulley, tie a simple knot in it. Pull it nice and tight. If it's kind of hanging off a little bit, you know, you can always cut the tip off a little bit if you have to. If you got too much end, you know, it should be fine though. And then we're going to wrap this like this until we got this whole spool pretty well filled up. And there we go, now it's starting to lift up out of there, so we're going to pull side. And then we got to find it where it sinks in the spring. See, it sank down and now it's got the springs pulling it back. Now we can put this clip, oh wait a minute, washer first. Where's that washer? Put it down, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. The washer in. And then the clip. Boom, just like that. Works perfect. Alright, so I'm going to pull a little rope out, cut it off. We're going to heat this end up again, pull it to a point. And stick it in this handle. Probably should have taken the rope out of the handle first. Stick it in this handle. Spin a wrap on it. Alright, there's that. We're going to check these dog ears on this to make sure that they're flipping back and forth. If you have to, get a little oil them a little bit. These are working fine. Get this all in place. Sometimes you got to pull the handle a little bit to get it lay down in place. And then we're going to put the 3 bolts back in. Just get the bolts started until you get all 3 of them started, then you can tighten. Works perfect. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the pull rope with a handle in the description. I'll put the stihl tool in the description as well that I used. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.